Okay, this is the real test of whether I'm going to keep this camera or not. I'm filming outside a few times. We're going to see how this goes. Okay, now it's pretty dark here in the garage portion, and I do have the camera on the dash, but it won't stay there to drive. But I may hold it and show you what I got. Ready? So we're kind of out of the garage, rolling. I've done this shot with a DJI Pocket, and we're going to see how this comes out. Now I'm still fully wondering if I should return this, but let's give it a better chance. Guess I want to show you my new watch. So what I just did yesterday, I put together 4 clips, randomly going to work, starting my day, and I'm using only the Insta Go2. Now, I wasn't completely happy with the video quality previously, so today's a different day. It's rainy, it's crappy out. I'm taking a quick walk, but I'm previewing what you're about to see in a few quick clips. Let me know if you think it's acceptable. I'm really trying to decide whether the video quality is up to my expectations on the little camera. Hopefully the microphone is working just as well. And I feel like this thing's really close, so maybe it's too close. Let's see what the footage looks like later. That's the other issue. Okay, I'm going to try one more test with the Go2, and that is horizon leveling. I'm going to turn my hand up to the 3 o'clock position, back down, then back up to the 9 o'clock position. Oh, and I'm shaking badly. And hopefully the stabilization works pretty good. Again, outside, not the greatest day, but just wondering how it looks. No matter how this video comes out, let me know what you think. Should you really buy one of these? Should you not buy one of these? I'll know once I post it up, but I think I know what the answer is. But let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this Insta Go2. Thanks for watching.